Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in today's video I'm going to share with you top 5 ways of making money online in 2024. And the number one way is to create a YouTube channel. So if you have a skill that you want to share it with the world, if you are an expert in something or you can learn something and then you can share it with the people, then you can create a YouTube channel around that. Once you have monetized your YouTube channel, you will start making money through Google AdSense and also through other sponsorship. The way to monetize your channel is you need about 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to get your channel monetized. And once the channel has been monetized, you will make money through Google AdSense. And sometimes other brands will also reach out to you in order for you to create a video for them. In return, they'll pay you the money. The number one way of making money online in 2024 is creating a YouTube channel. The number two way is creating an online course. This is one of the way I have followed to make money online. If you have a skill that you want to share it with the world, you can create an online course around that if you have a passion for teaching. I personally love to teach, and I have created courses on a technology called Salesforce, and I have uploaded those courses on platforms like Udemy and also on my own website. And through Udemy, I have made close to $800,000 on Udemy and also approximately $250,000 on my own platform. So the number two way is to create an online course and upload it on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or on your own website. This is one of the ways you can make money online in 2024. The number three way is to create an ebook and sell it on Amazon. So if you have a passion of writing and you love writing, then you can create ebooks. The ebooks don't have to be too large. It can be around 50 to 100 pages, and you can sell these ebooks or audiobooks on Amazon, and in that Amazon is going to pay you royalty for those books sold. So the number three way of making money online is to create an ebook or an audiobook. Number four way is to create an online store. So if you have something to sell, if it can be a physical product or a digital product, you can create an online store on Shopify, and you can bring audience to your store or people to your store, and they can buy products through your website, and then you make money on the difference between the cost price and the selling price. So that is the number four way, is to create an online store. In this process, you first have to spend some money on bringing audience to your online store. It can be through running YouTube ads or Google ads or Facebook ads. You bring people to your website, and then once they reach your website, they probably are going to buy products from your website if that product they are interested in. So you can create a Shopify store, and you can promote that store on Facebook, Instagram, etc., and you can make money by selling products. So the number four way is to create an online store. Number five way is to become an affiliate. If you don't have a product of your own, then you can sell other people's products and you can earn a commission through that. The way to do is basically, if you have an audience either on social media platforms like Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, etc., or on YouTube, if you have a YouTube channel, you can promote other people's products through affiliate links. And once people believe you or have that loyalty audience built, then you can sell your products through those affiliate links. And if people buy product using that affiliate link, you earn a commission on that. So the number five way is to become an affiliate. So these are some of the ways of making money online in 2024. I repeat, the number one way is to create a YouTube channel. Number two is to create an online course. Number three is to create an ebook or an audiobook. Number four is to create an online course. And number five is to become an affiliate. These are some of the ways through which you can make money online in 2024. None of these ways are going to be easy for you. They will definitely require a lot of consistency and hard work. It's not a rich, quick scheme where you just put a book all out there and people are going to buy it. No, you have to market the book, you have to market your course, you have to consistently build YouTube videos, you have to do all of these things. But it's it's not hard if you do it on a daily basis, and if you do it consistently, you can make so much of money that you can't even imagine through these channels. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you like such kind of videos, please like the video and also subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any video from the channel. And I'm going to see you tomorrow with another video, so stay tuned for that. Thank you very much and have a wonderful rest of the day. Bye bye, take care.